just this chair?
Yep, cool. Just right there.
Oh, sorry. Why don't you take my phone?
Yep. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. I never thought I would be making this video. This car has been with me through so much, and it is a massive reason the channel is where it is today. But today, I'm saying goodbye to my Polo GTI and hello to a new car. And here it is. This wasn't an upgrade, it wasn't a flex, it was a choice that took more thought than people realize. Not because I want to, but because there is a huge problem with the Polo GTI. If you've owned a Polo GTI, you'll understand. The smile it puts on my face is like no other car. It's quick, fun, sounds incredible, and I personally cannot get enough of the pops and bangs. For me, it was the perfect mix of performance, daily usability, and pure driving pleasure. But here's the problem, and a lot of us don't want to admit it or speak about it, but the maintenance and cost of these vehicles as soon as they are out of maintenance plan, warranty or service plan is astronomical. And that very quickly takes the enjoyment of driving and the love of this car straight away from you. Now, if you've been following this channel, you know that a car is not just a car to me, not a way to get from A to B, but something that I want to enjoy, be proud of, share the enjoyment, love, and passion of cars with every single one of you. And so what is the plan? Passion projects, as you've seen with the Beetle build, are something I want to continue. That Beetle is done, and the content coming soon is hopefully going to be out of this world. Lastly, there may or may not be a third car that really will bring some excitement to this channel this year. So, the new car. As some of you may know, I've got a family now, so the focus for this new car was something safe, obviously more spacious than the Polo GTI, something mainly more cost effective that I didn't have to worry about, that I could enjoy, but ultimately it's something that the family can use and it's not a passion project. So it wasn't an easy decision, it wasn't impulsive, it wasn't emotional, it was a calculated decision for me and the family. So as sad as I am to see the Polo GTI go, it is a new chapter, a new generation of cars is coming through, and I'm excited to experiment with them, understand them, and as I say, more importantly, there's other cars that are going to form part of the future of this channel, some potential builds, and obviously the Beetle that we've got to get on the road and shoot some challenges with. So then, what is my honest review of the Omoda C5? Obviously, it cannot compare or even come close to the Polo GTI, but for what I need it for, it has blown my mind. To date, I obviously bought it brand new. I've already done 6,700 odd kilometers. So I've had a decent amount and some good trips with the car. Starting off with space, I mean, even in the seats, the actual seats themselves, the quality, the comfort, the look, they are super impressive. I think the whole cabin as a whole, it doesn't feel like an entry-level car. It feels ultra premium, comfortable, and overall, like I say, just impressed by this car. From an exterior point of view, I think I love the black. That's obviously a bias, but I think it makes the shapes, the look, the daytime running lights just pop. It looks cool. I think it's a flippin' well-designed car. Not comparing it to anything, I think standing alone, it's a cool car. What surprised me the most, obviously I was mad about the Polo GTI, but the attention this gets is 100 times the Polo GTI. People saying Omoda or nice car or clean car or looking or saying, hey, did you see that? It's crazy. I think because obviously these are new and all of these Chinese cars are coming up with really cool designs and looks, and I think all of us, our biases are falling away. We're looking at them for what they are, the value, the tech, what they offer. But overall, being brutally honest, this car has impressed me. For 359,700, it's incredible value for money. If you think of an entry-level Polo nowadays, I think that goes for about 320,000. That's a manual. This has, I mean, keyless entry. You can chat to it and ask it to open all the windows. It's obviously an automatic. I will say the CVT gearbox is not my favorite, but I think because I'm not buying this car to race or enjoy or drive like I would the Polo GTI, it's livable. It's not uncomfortable, it's not annoying, it's got enough power to overtake when needed. And I would say overall, the drive, the interior, the look, this car is great value for money. Is it a dream car for me personally? No ways. Would I choose other cars like an X340i or an X3M? Yes, if I had the money. But the reality, those cars are sitting at 1.5 million, and for me there's no point buying then the likes of a Tiguan or a Hyundai when you're going to be spending 600 to 800,000 rand. It's not a dream, it's not a car I enjoy. I would rather have something that's safe, cost effective like this for 359, and then have my passion projects, have the Beetle, have project cars that are on the way, and enjoy those experiences. Because I'll be honest, for me, I don't know about other owners out there, but even the Polo GTI, unfortunately, it just does become an A to B car. It was my daily car, it's the car we used as a family car, so it loses the specialness or the experience of jumping in it and enjoying the launch control or the gear shifts or the pops and bangs. It just becomes a tool to use on a daily basis. So I think this I'm enjoying because there's no need to enjoy it from a driving perspective. I need to get in it, be safe, get to A to B. So that's obviously an honest review from my side, and I guess things that matter to me. But if there's things that you guys want to know about this car, things you want to understand, or any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll be doing a series of videos on it because I want to educate people. As always, I want to be honest with costs, with how I feel, with what the car is, and all of that kind of stuff. So drop a comment and let's learn, and I'll create some great content in the future for you guys. If you enjoyed this video and if you've stayed up until this point, I really would appreciate if you smash that subscribe, like, or comment something in the video. It goes a long way. It's a lot of work, and I'm excited to share all of this with you in the future.